Hello guys! Try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. 9 men is to 12 hours equals to 6 men is to n hours. So yung ating review for today is all about inverse proportion. So ano ba pag sinabi nating inverse proportion? Malimit kayong makaka-encounter ng ganitong problem kapag meron tayong tinutukoy na work problem, okay? Or yung tinatawag nating work problem. Ibig sabihin, merong certain number ng tao na kayang gumawa sa ganitong kahabang oras. And then, paano naman ang mangyayari kung oontian mo o danamihan mo yung certain number ng tao, gaano katagal na lang sila mag-work? Or pwedeng vice versa, ilang tao ang kailangan mag-work kapag ganitong oras lang yung kailangan. So, dun yung may encounter to. Iba to sa ratio and proportion. Kasi sa ratio and proportion, we're dealing with quantities lang. Okay? Puro numbers lang tayo dun. Pero ito, work problem na to. So, iba yung approach natin dito. So, paano natin isa-solve yung mga ganitong kind of problem? So, madali lang. Ang gagawin lang natin is to multiply yung values na nasa same side. Okay? Yung nasa left side nung ating equal sign. Okay? Same side lang. Multiply yung value sa left side and then yung value sa right side nung ating equal sign. So, 9 men times 12 hours, that gives us 108. Equals to the product naman nung ating nasa right side. So, 6 times n. So, since n is a variable, this is equal to 6n. And then, since n yung hinahanap natin, we divide both sides by 6. So, ito magiging 1 na lang to. And then, n is equal to 108 divided by 6, which is equal to 18. So, it takes 18 hours para sa 6 men na matapos yung isang job or yung ginagawa nila. Okay? So, letter C tayo for this problem. So, for our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naiintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. So, that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.